What to do when you accidentally erase your files, or your memory card and hard disk got corrupted. If you want to get your files back, watch this video. Here is your memory card. If you accidentally deleted your files, your file is gone, but it leaves a trace image called the mirror image. The mirror image of your deleted files is your only hope to get your files back. But too bad, mirror images phase out and disappear when you input new data to the memory card. You can avoid this by keeping your memory card and not using it at all, right after accidental deletes and memory card corruptions. And the last thing that you should do, call us 639-23-611-0333. Chat with us. Know more about us.